traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound and yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think it's so extremely clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. I think we're likely in a wave 4 right now, and eventually it will go back up for the wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, it definitely looks like impulsive down wave A. It looks like potentially 3 waves up wave B. I do think that at some point, maybe it's already started. It's going to go down and make a C, which is most likely a C of 4. Keep in mind that this is the weekly time frame, and this is going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do think this is a wave A. I think this is an A or B. 3 waves down, B or B. I think this is potentially an uptrend for a C or B. I've been watching this 138, 123 area for quite some time for possibly ending this wave B. Now, we technically do have a break of structure right here, which is actually more caused by the pound than the yen, but maybe we'll just get lucky enough to have the end of this correction, end of a wave B, and continuation down for the wave C. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we definitely did have a break and hold below structure, so hopefully that's going to tell us the wave B really is over. Most likely, if this is the end of a wave B, then this will continue the downtrend. Kind of looks a little bit impulsive up, so it might end up doing something like this. If it does make like an A, a B, and a C, and then an impulsive engulfing move down, that potentially would be a really nice setup to go short right here at the continuation of at the end of an ABC correction for the continuation, hopefully would end up being a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. Now, technically with this break of structure, we have to be a little careful because even though this looks like a potential ABC correction to this move up, it could possibly just keep on going down from here. But I would keep a close eye on my Fibonacci retracement levels because it looks like this should be a wave A. It looks like we should be in a wave B right now. And it looks like, wave B. And it looks like we potentially should go up for a wave C. So if you do get a nice Fibonacci bounce as a short time frame trader, it probably would be a really nice chance to go long. And then if you see it go up and then bounce off a Fibonacci retracement on this move down, then that potentially would be a really good setup to go short. So watch your Fibonacci levels, watch your structure, and hopefully you'll be trading in the right direction. Just be careful because the U.S. elections are tomorrow and there could be lots of volatility in the markets. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.